For the first time since 2012, the factory Yamaha team goes into a new MotoGP season without Valentino Rossi, having signed Fabio Quartararo to join Maverick Vinales for 2021. Yamaha won more races than any other manufacturer last season, with 7 victories from the 14 rounds. But only one win, by Vinales at Misano, was by the official team, with Quartararo and teammate Franco Morbidelli claiming 3 wins each for the satellite Petronas outfit. Morbidelli, on the 2019 A-Spec bike, was also Yamaha's top rider in the World Championship, while the other 3 battled frustrating hit-and-miss form on the latest factory bike. Valve problems, in the form of reliability issues at Jerez and ultimately a penalty for changing supplier, also hung over Yamaha for much of the season, with riders unable to make full use of their engine allocation. Although engine design remains frozen for 2021, the Yamaha riders should at least have a full lineup of engines available for this year, which means they can use the maximum revs. For the chassis, there will be some big decisions to take in terms of whether to switch back to a frame similar to Morbidelli's specification or push further with revised 2020 factory spec. While Vinales has been a clear step ahead of Rossi in terms of results for the past 2 seasons, he is likely to face a tougher challenge from Quartararo. Each will be eager to prove they are the future of Yamaha, but first they must work together in solving the turning and grip problems that left them both without a single podium in the last 6 rounds of 2020.